Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the parts of removable partial denture in prosthodontics. Actually, we have discussed some concept related to removable partial denture in previous video. So kindly view it and subscribe it kindly. Let's go into the video. The first word, various parts are involved here. That is, first one is major connector, minor connector, rest seat, direct retainer, indirect retainer, and denture base and artificial tooth placement. There are various concepts involved here, so we will discuss briefly about in this one in later videos. Just an introduction. This is major connector. It is a part, according to glossary of prosthodontic terms, it is defined as a part of RPD which connects the components of one side of arch to the components of other side. This is a direct retainer. Sorry, it is a major connector. It is also a largest and most important component. It also provides indirect retention. Functions of major connector are involved in stress distribution and also cross-arch stabilization, and also it involved in cleavage positions, various appliances cases. The next one is minor connector. It is defined as a connecting link between the major connector of RPD and other units of such as clasp, indirect retainers, occlusal rest. There are four types of minor connectors here. The first one is it connects the direct retainer to the major connector. Next one is auxiliary seats to the major connector. Third one is denture base to the major connector. Fourth extends as an approach arm to bar clasp. Functions of minor connector, they transfer the stress to the abutment teeth and also transfers the effect of retainer clasp throughout the partial processes. The next one is rest. It is defined as, according to GPT, a rigid extension or fixed or removable partial denture which contacts a remaining tooth to dissipate the horizontal or vertical forces. Clearly understand it. It is a rigid extension of fixed or removable partial denture which contacts a remaining tooth or tooth to dissipate the horizontal or vertical forces. It is a metallic extension in denture area. It also extends over the occlusal or lingual surface. The functions are they transmit the occlusal forces overall the tooth. It also acts along the long axis of the abutment tooth. Distributes occlusal load areas. The another fine function is directs the foot away from the contacts and embrasure areas. This one is rest. It also acts along the. It is available in fixed or revolved partial denture and also a metallic insertion. The next one is rest seat. It is a depression on occlusal surface to which the rest area should be placed and purposely fit. The main purpose is to prevent the occlusal interference. It also protects and positions the wrist and also acts along the direct forces. Mainly involved in prosthetic mouth preparation. The next concept is direct retainer. It is defined as a clasp or attachment placed on abutment teeth for holding removable partial denture in position. It is also a part of FP, fixed partial denture. It helps mainly in preventing displacement of denture. The most critical component of the removable partial denture is direct retainers. A clasp or attachment placed on the abutment teeth prevent the hold the removable partial denture in the position. For retention, fixation, and stabilization of denture processes. It is also a type of direct retainer. It refers to the intracoronal retainer. It extends into the abutment teeth. These are the attachments of direct retainers. This one. Indirect retainer. The next concept. It is defined as a part of RPD which assists the direct retainers in preventing the displacement of distal extension denture bases by functioning through lever action on opposite side of the fulcrum line. Kindly reminded, it is helpful in assisting direct retainers and also prevents the displacement of distal extension denture bases. It is a separate component in the distal extension. It is mainly involved in assisting to obtain direct retention. This one is indirect retainers. It is attached to always the direct retainers. It is useful in assisting displacement and also various functions. The main line is involved is fulcrum line, and also lever principle is used here. The final concept is denture base and tooth replacement. It is a part, denture base is a part of denture that forms a tissue surface over the edentulous area. It is helpful in complete denture and also in removed partial denture. It's mainly made up of acrylic resin. It also distributes forces acting the denture over the residual ridge. The main function is to hold tooth replacement in position. Next one is tooth replacement. It also reproduces contour and function of missing tooth. Maximum possible tissue coverage is involved here. It is also closely adaptation to the tissues there. There are various kinds. First one is major connector, minor connector, rest, receipt, direct retainers, indirect retainers, denture base and tooth replacement. Actually, final two, denture base and tooth replacement is a sub one. The main components are 5, that is major, minor, rest and rest receipt, direct retainer, indirect retainer. Thank you for watching it. Keep subscribing and watch more videos about my concepts.